Canyon Kitchen.
Ciao tutti! Today we are making our Don't Forget the Basil spring rolls.
And why is that, Margot? There's a very special story.
Well, the first time we made these, they're just to die for. And I was like, oh, I can't wait to make this for somebody else. And it was my girlfriend's birthday and she's a chef. And I was like, perfect, I'll cook something for her.
Impress her.
I know. Well, so, I mean, I took so much time preparing them. And so we finally sat down to eat them. And I was like, man, they're fine. But and the whole time we were eating, I was just like, these just don't taste the same. I promise, they're really good. And it was just bothering me, and then I didn't realize till the next day. I'm like, the basil, and I love basil. I love basil. You know I do.
We know. You have a line, bury me in basil.
Bury me in basil. So don't forget the basil. I mean, just to make sure we don't forget that key ingredient in the future. We stuck it in the title.
Yes, and it's going to be very important where we put the basil down, because not only is it delicious, but it adds such a beautiful color, right?
Right. This is a very visual recipe,
yeah,
right?
It really is.
Which food is
I mean, look at the colors. You want to tell them what we did with the ginger?
So, obviously there's pickled ginger in here. And when we were shopping for it, you know,
it's boring kind of white cream.
Yeah,
color.
It's just kind of a off-white color. And so we're like, shoot, I can't have that. I need that pink in there. I need the rainbow. And so we searched it.
And we found that some Japanese chef said that he dyes his ginger in
just beef
color than it was the last time we ate these.
So easy and totally natural. Huh?
So we're gonna get started now, but we want you to make a note that the order, if you care about visual like we do, then you want the
food
order.
is a multi-sensory experience.
It is. To me, I know for you too. Yeah. We're really visual people. So it's really important the way we do the layers, because when the rolls are wrapped, you want the beautiful colors on the top.
So we especially like to start with what? The basil on the outside, the sesame seeds, the ginger,
and the avocado.
Yeah.
So, and any of those orders first. But we have rice wraps, and we're gonna put them in this water right here. So Margot, I'm gonna start and spray my board just to get it a little wet.
Give you a little spray?
Give you a little spray, and I think
I know
just go around like this.
Some recipes call for like a warm water, but I feel like in our experience, we just did a room temperature water, and it worked out fine.
We wet it, and then we bring it over here, and it feels still like, I don't know, kind of almost cardboardy, but we realized really fast how, now I'm going to get that basil out, how fast
oh my gosh,
that it became soft. So you have to work kind of fast, okay?
Don't forget those sesame seeds.
I know, those are next, because I really love those. You have your own there, because I figured with our hands wet, I wasn't sure if this is the right way, but I'm going to do the sesame seeds.
So we have carrots, cucumbers, pickled ginger. We made some ramen noodles that are and with a little drizzle of sesame
of coconut aminos.
Yeah.
But also we used the millet and rice noodles, organic, of course.
And we're pairing this with a peanut ginger dipping sauce, which,
oh my gosh, that combo
to die for.
The combo of that is to die for. I love this ginger too. We are ginger people. Look at those colors already. You gotta get that avocado on there.
I know.
Check out
I'm
that
just green
and
pink.
Okay, and then now the colors to me don't matter so much. So I gotta put some carrots, but can I have it?
Definitely.
Let's just do a couple like this.
Okay, getting a little bit messy, mine over here.
Shoot.
Oh my God!
Just set that in the water. It looks so clear.
I could just drink that sauce.
I know.
Let me. Did you put basil in there?
On the very first layer.
Okay, I'm just saying.
You're overly sensitive
I
about
am.
the basil right now. But these noodles really make it too. Okay, so now fold in. And fold in. And rock. Really, just roll. Oh, I love that. Look,
Oh my
guys.
gosh, that is gorgeous.
Gosh,
gorgeous.
So amazing.
I feel like you have much better rolling technique than I do. I don't know. I'm just saying.
Maybe it's
gotta be
something
real.
to do with golfing.
Possibly.
Wow, that's
Wow.
the one for our Instagram photo
Yeah.
right there.
A little spritz?
Lucky. Yeah. Okay, next. And this is a
You
good-
forgot the sesame seeds.
Oh, that's Lloyd's.
That's the thing. When
That's-
you forget something, you always realize it when it's
Yeah, that's
rolled
a-
and plated.
Okay, but guess what I'm doing right now first?
Yeah. What? The sesame seeds.
right now. Watch, they're going first. Okay, I'll show you when you roll it. I'm gonna say this is very important. When you roll it, you're stacking them this way, long-wise.
I think I always
You
forget that.
always
I
stack them opposite. I don't know. if
Why?
That's the lefty brain
Ah.
for you. I like these in there. These noodles make it for me. I really, really like those. Are you keeping it in a line?
I'm trying. Oh my god, I forgot the sesame.
You were so proud.
Yeah,
that you
so
remember.
proud.
Hey, now watch. See, it's in a line.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see that?
Yes. All right, let me give this Deborah method a shot. Okay, so we're just gonna make a couple more rolls with the rest of the ingredients, and then we'll get to making that sauce.
All right, and now for our delicious sauce.
Yes, and we learned last time, the first time we made it, as soon as we tasted it, we realized we're gonna need to
Triple it.
triple that recipe right away because I'm gonna need to take some home.
All right, so actually, Margo, I just want to take a second to talk about the ingredients because it is peanut sauce. And anytime you use peanuts, it's not a zero fat recipe, right? But we consciously look out for oils, right? And we're not using any added oils here.
If you like ginger, add a little extra ginger.
Oh yeah. That's not 1 tablespoon. Look at it.
Mhm.
But we love ginger. All right, let's
Cool, let's get to it. All right,
You start.
amazing. Got our
We can get
miso.
you that spatula for the peanut butter or a spoon.
Onion powder. Ginger, I'll just go ahead and drop this right in. All of it.
That's your famous drop.
Yeah.
You do the peanut butter. I know you're a lefty, so
What are you saying?
yeah. Well, I just need to hand it to you in the right way, and I'm not used to that. Okay, and then coconut
Yeah.
milk.
Maple syrup.
Yeah. Don't add this whole thing of salt. Salt to taste. We're just gonna start with a little right now.
Yeah.
Then, what was this?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Yeah. Amazing.
Amazing. Maybe that's everything, right? Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm tasting now because I want to make sure while we're at
Yeah.
the blender that we don't need to add anything, but I don't think so.
good.
Do you feel like there's anything extra? I think the lemon juice is good. Do you?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's good.
And now for the best part.
Best part.
Tasting.
Yeah.
And I'm hungry.
Oh, good.
Mm.
That peanut sauce, peanut ginger.
And basil. Those are the three flavors.
Basil is key.
The basil, that's why we have to not forget it.
I was so ashamed.
I didn't forget it,
Mm-hmm.
but that ginger, basil, and the peanut sauce is to die for.
Most incredible combination.
And I really, really love those noodles in there.
Good call. Yeah. Literally, every single bite is so good. I love eating with my hands. Is that weird? Do other people love eating with their hands?
No, but the first time I ever did that, what's that? Is it Vietnamese? You know, on Fairfax there, all those
Ethiopian.
Ethiopian, that's cool. They do eat with their
Mhm,
hands in that restaurant. It was a cool experience. Just want to get a straw,
Get in
drink
there.
that sauce.
Good on you, huh?
One Let me get that cucumber I lost. I can eat that whole plate.
Easily.
Just so healthy. It's so beautiful, whole foods. And this sauce is unbelievable. You gotta try this.
Wow.
Messy.
Worth it.
Worth it. I like that. It is worth it. We didn't give it the damn.
Damn. That Deb, sole question. What is there a book that you've read that you feel has changed your life or just left a?
Well, the one that comes to mind was published in 1987, and I was already, you want to call it a vegetarian, vegan, whatever, only because I loved animals and I couldn't eat them. And so I then came across this book when it came out called Diet for New America by John Robbins. And I was so profoundly touched by that book because I was already into wanting to save the environment, and he lays it all out in that book, like by eating a plant-based diet. Of course, back then they called it vegan or vegetarian. By eliminating animal products from your diet, you would, save this much land and you could feed this many people and this. And it was just so, I don't know, like I would say confirming to the diet that I was already on and the path that I was already on without really knowing, because we didn't have internet back then.
Right.
So without really knowing that the diet that I had chosen was doing so well, but it also made it like, wow, now I will never go back. And wow, now I want to tell everyone about this book because we need to act.
Yeah.
So I would have to say Diet for New America.
Very cool.
Welcome back to Soul Canyon Kitchen.
Ciao tutti. Today.
Don't forget to say don't forget. Oh, that's so funny. Don't forget the don't forget the
And take two. Oh my God.
There we go.